Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you are having a good morning. So we'll start off analysis the first pair on our screen. This is Euro USD, and as I mentioned yesterday, this is still a sell. We have an active downtrend from this. This was from 3rd of February. The price has been down. So if you are to sell this symbol, you actually started selling it from 3rd of February. The price has been downwards. From the indicator, the first one, which is this, we can see that we are bearish. The price is moving down. And then on the other one, which is on the left side of the screen, this ADX, we are also still bearish. So if you trade correctly, you actually could have sold at these key levels when the price went below this support here. The support is a zone, not a straight line. So we have a support, support, a support, a support. There's a break below. We expect the price to retrace back to the same place before heading down. So this did not happen. Instead, the price just continued down. This is still a sell. It's still a sell. The fact that the price did not reach this level does not mean it's not a sell. It's still a sell. So you could have taken a sell there as a dynamic resistance. You could also have taken a sell here. You consider this indicator a dynamic resistance. You also could have taken a sell there. Then as we speak now, you're supposed to be in a sell which you took while the price went back to the same place, which was somewhere here. So other than these levels, we also have a sell around this point. We also have a sell around that point. Then we also have a sell there. So you combine the first indicator, which is the main on our screen, and then the next one, then you're supposed to pick a sell. We move forward to our next symbol, GBP USD. So GBP USD should be moving alongside Euro USD. If there's a sell which you're seeing on Euro USD, we should expect the same thing. So I think that truth has actually been interfered, and the recent past that is not true. The price was just bearish temporarily on GBP USD. We had some sell, some good sell, but then the price turned upwards. This was yesterday. So this means we could be possibly heading to the upside. If we look at it from the indicator which you have attached, the alligator indicator, this one here, the price is upwards. The other one, which is also this one, is upwards. So overall, the GBP should be continuing to the upper side. So we expect price to proceed upwards up to this level. Yeah, first of all, the price needs to go back up to this resistance. This is a very good level where if the price does not clearly ascend and close above, we are going to look for a sell. This level here, we have a resistance, there's a support previously, a support, a support, a support, a support. There are multiple supports. So when the price went below this level, we actually are supposed to be in the same place for a sell. So as it is now, this should give us a good place to sell from. Pick a sell as I've sold it. Have your stop loss above 1.3076, and then your take profit, you need to fix it around this level, this one, which is 1.2760. So if you look at this chart now, hold for sell, sell it as I'm speaking now, have your stop loss above this level, then a take profit, fix it here. So we'll move forward. I'll move to the next chart, USD. So far, USD should be heading downwards. USD, this one, it should be going downwards. And the main reason I'm saying that is this: the previous month's candle, which was this one, is bearish, and then the candle which we are now looking at, this one, actually went up completely, and it's almost around the same place, the highest high we saw previously. So this should give us a correct place to sell it from. If you are looking at this chart now, expect price to close below this level by the end of this month. So where the prices now look for sell orders, overall we've been bullish. Look at the 1 hour chart, the price has been actively to the upside, but then we expect a sell. So if the price should give us any clear sell signal, you should pick that sell, have your first take profit here on the monthly, and then the next one you have it on this support, this one. So we are waiting for that good sell up to this, the first take profit. Then the next one is at 101.09. So we move on to our next symbol, which is gold. The gold is this one. Sorry. This is gold. This is still silver. XAUUSD. This is gold. So gold, so far the price should be continuing to the upper side. We went above a very good resistance. We have a resistance here. This is the resistance, and then this also a resistance. So we had a resistance previously. There was a break above. It was the first retracement. It continued up. It came back. So if the price can come back again the third time, then this is the place where we want to buy it from. We are going to buy it if it gets back to this level. We are going to buy it properly. So wait for retracement, then you pick a buy when the price gets to that zone, like this. So we move forward to our next symbol, Brent oil. Brent oil is here. Brent oil is here. Brent oil is bearish, as mentioned yesterday. This is still a sell. So the price needs to pull back up to this point for us to start selling it. If we are to sell it as I'm speaking, you need to wait for price to go up to 57.27. Have a pending sell limit here. Have your pending sell limit. Then have your stop loss above this level here. And then you should have your take profit around this level, this one. Yeah. So we move forward to the last symbol, SP500. So SP500 should move alongside USDJPY. So for some times now, these two have been moving in the same direction. So if you have to look for a buy on USDJPY, look for the same trade on SP500. We have this, and then we also have this one. So these are the two indicators we're going to use to try to determine the direction. According to the first one, this one, we are upwards. The next one, which is the one on the lower side of our screen, is also upwards. So on this chart, I only recommend buy positions. I recommend you wait for retracements. There are no clear levels. Other than this one, there are no other clear levels. We have a level around 3328.8. Other than this one, we're actually waiting for price to retrace back to this so that I can buy it. Other than that one, there is no other level. So this is a buy. Expect price to continue to the upper side. Wait for a retracement, then you pick a buy. So thank you very much. We meet again tomorrow at the same time. So see you. Bye.